Hello friends, how are you? So welcome back again to the Parijat sir's classes. So today what we will be doing is a very important topic, that is the multiple and the submultiple angles. Today I will be showing you with the help of so many formulas I have written here. You can go through these also because these are some important formulas of the trigonometry of the multiple and the submultiple angles. And today I'll be showing you some of the important angle findings as well as some derivations of certain applications of the multiples and the submultiple angles. So before that, I would like to request you that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share it to your friends so that the benefit can be got to as much students as possible. So let's start. Today, first I'll show you how to find sine 18 degree. This is one of the very important things that you have to know certain values. Sine 18, sine 36, cos 36, cos 18. So see how to find it. Let theta equal to 18 degree. So if I multiply with 5 on both sides, I am getting this. If I multiply with 5 on both sides, I am getting this. So I am breaking it as 2 theta equal to 90 minus 3 theta. Apply sine on both sides. So sine 2 theta will be sine 90 minus 3 theta. Okay. So sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, which I have written here. Sine 2 theta will be 2 sine theta cos theta. An application here, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. You have to memorize all these formulas, so it will be better for you. And sine 90 minus 3 theta will be cos 3 theta. So 2 sine theta cos theta, applying the formula of cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So what I can do is that I can cancel out 1 cos theta from all the places and it will come out to be 2 sine theta is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. So let us convert the cos theta into the sine theta. So it's 1 minus sine square theta minus 3. So converting it into a quadratic equation, it's 4 sine square theta, this will be going on this side, plus 2 sine theta, and plus 4 and minus 3 is plus 1 will go on this side, will become minus 1 equal to 0. And applying the Sridharacharya formula of the sine theta, it's minus b plus minus root over b square, which is 4, b is 2 here, b square minus 4ac, so it will become 4, so 16, and 2a will become 8. My a is 4, my b is plus 2, my c is minus 1. So we are getting sine theta as, minus 2 plus minus root over, this is 20 by 8. So sine theta is coming minus 2, this is 5 fours are, so 2 comes out, 2 root 5 by 8. So the values can be 2 values from here, which is minus, if I cut 2 and 8 from both sides, up and down, so it will be 1 plus root 5 by 4 or minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Now this value gives me minus of the sine theta, but 18 degree is in the first quadrant and we know that in the first quadrant sine is positive. So we will not take this value, we will take sine theta as root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is the, and we know theta is 18 degree, we already considered it. So sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is the value of sine theta. You can go through it and this is a very important and remarkable application of the sine, and we will be seeing that how to find more angles out of this with the help of this. So let's go ahead, and you see this video, you will understand it. So let's go to the next one. We already now have seen that sine theta is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So now let us apply the other parts in the sine theta. That means we will be finding the cos and the other values using the help of the sine theta. So let's see here how to find the cos. So we know that sine theta, sine 18 degree, we just now found root 5 minus 1 by 4. So cos 18 will be root over 1 minus sine square 18 degree. So how to find it? Cos 18 degree will be, we just now found 1 minus, this is root 5 minus 1 by 4 square. So which is coming out to be 1 minus, so let's calculate it, 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So if I calculate it, this is coming 16 plus 5 and plus 1, this is plus 6 goes out as minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So this value comes out to be 16 minus 6 is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16, and this will be coming out as 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Now again we will be having two values here, plus and minus, and we know cos 18 in the first quadrant is a plus, so we will choose the plus value. So let us write down that we got sine 18 as root 5 minus 1 by 4, cos 18 we got as root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Using these two values, now we will see that how we can calculate the other angles. So I'm showing you that how to calculate the other angles using these two values. So let's see how to calculate. We already got sine 18 and we already got the cos 18. So let's see how to calculate the sine 36 value. 36. So sine 36, we know this formula. Watch it. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So sine 36 we can easily write it as sine 2 into 18. That means sine, it's looking like sine 2 theta, and the formula is 2 sine 18 and cos 18. Now we already know the value of sine 18. Sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, and cos 18 is root 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So this value comes out to be, now in this case we'll find out 2 and 2 cuts, so this is root 5 minus 1 and this is 10 root plus 2 root 5 by, this will cut out and this will become 8. So this is, we are finding the value of sine 36 in this way. Now we can also find out the value of sine 36 another way. Just watch it how to do that. Just keep watching it how to do that. See, we know a formula that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. This is a formula we know. So let's apply. So cos 36 will be 1 minus 2 sine square. It will become 18 degree. Isn't it? So what am I showing you is that we can easily, we could have found out using the previous formula sine 2 theta, and now we are finding cos 36 with this formula. So what we will see that this formula is little bit better application than the previous one. The calculation makes quite easy here. 1 minus 2. Now sine 18 was root 5 minus 1 by 4. So you can see that this calculation is becoming little bit easier. So this is 2 and this is 16. This becomes 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5. Okay. So this is 1 minus 1 by 8 and this is 6 minus 2 root 5. Clear? So if I see that it is 1 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 8. So taking the LCM, 8 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 8. So it comes out to be 2 plus 2 root 5 by 4. That means it comes out, if I cut with 2, it is coming out to be root 5 plus 1 by 2. So root 5 plus 1 by, it is 8 actually, sorry. So this is 4. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. That means we got cos 36 as root 5 plus 1 by 4. Clear? So this is how we got sine 18, cos 18 and cos 36. Now let us see how we find sine 36 degree. Let us see how can we find sine of 36 degree. So that is again the application of these formulas, which is again you'll see that how I apply these formulas. Sine 36 degree. So sine 36 degree, we know sine theta is root over 1 minus cos square theta. So cos square 36 degree. So that means this comes out to be 1 minus, this is what? Root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So this comes out to be 1 minus, this is 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So it is 5 plus 1 is 6, LCM is 16. So 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So this comes out to be 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. That means it is root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 and a plus and a minus. But sine 36 again is in the first quadrant. So what we have to take, sine should be positive in the first quadrant. That means we have to take sine 36 value as root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So see friends, cos 18 and sine 36 are opposite values. Cos 18 and sine 36 values are opposite values. Okay. Now sine 18 and cos 36 values are also opposite values. So these are the things which you have to little bit keep in mind, the values of these, so that you don't have to calculate every time. Because if you calculate every time, there's a lot of time gone. So if you remember, it's better, and if you don't, please go through the formulas, how I am calculating it. Okay. Next is, if I want to calculate sine 54 degree, how can I write? Sine 54 is actually sine 90 minus 36. And we know this is cos 36. So cos 36 value already I know. So root 5 plus 1 by 4. So see, we got this value as sine 54 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Clear? Similarly, if I want to calculate the value of cos 54, cos 54 will be cos 90 minus 36, which is sine 36, and sine 36 value already I know, so it is root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. That means cos 54's value is root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So see how with the help of these we are getting each and every angle we can calculate here. Okay. Similarly, see sine 72 also we can calculate. Sine 72. How to write sine 72? We know sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So 2 sine 36 degree cos 36 degree. Sine 36 we know, cos 36 we know, we can put here, we can get sine 72. Similarly, if I want to calculate cos 72 degree, now once we know sine 72, we can actually use 1 minus sine square 72 degree, we will get cos 72. So what I am trying to tell you is, this is the way you can find out the multiple angles of many trigonometric ratios. Similarly, see I can easily calculate the value of tan 18, which will be sine 18 by cos 18 degree. Sine 18 we know, cos 18 we know, so we can easily calculate the value of tan 18. Similarly, we can calculate the value of tan 36 degree, which is sine 36 degree by cos 36 degree. Sine 36 we know, cos 36, sine 36 we know, cos 36 we know. So we can calculate the value of tan 36 degree. So this is the procedure how to calculate each and every angle from the applications of these. Now I will try to show you some more applications in my next video. So please go through this video and see how the applications of the multiple angles are being done here, and it is being used to calculate it. But before that, you have to be very confident about the formulas here, which you have to really memorize it so that you can easily apply them. Okay friends, so let's meet in the next video, in which I'll be showing you further more calculations of further multiple and sub-multiple angles. Thank you very much. Keep liking my video and be safe. Okay, thank you.